Hey YouTube, this is Thugtopia coming at you with another video. Just got my 2011 2500 Dodge Ram transmission rebuilt. Got it hooked up. It's been sitting for a few weeks, so I got my new truck hooked up to jump my old truck, and it's been charging for a bit. It hasn't been too cold here in Virginia, so this won't be too crazy of a cold start video, but it has been sitting for, like I said, a week or two. So let's just see how this goes. Hopefully nothing tears apart here. I guess it needs more juice. Left this thing running and charging. I'm gonna give it another attempt here. Hopefully this is the one. She's up. Couple weeks long. Just back burn to her old self. So I'm gonna let you guys go here. I'm gonna let this warm up, eat my food, take it on a little test drive, see how it goes. Truck's been running for about 5 minutes now. Just letting the oil cycle through the fan, make sure it gets everywhere it needs to get. So I'm gonna say that clunking is probably due to just getting that new oil in there. See how this puppy does. I'm gonna take it for a spin around the neighborhood here. Try to get up to temp. I'm sitting at 114 right now on the coolant. Granted, I am a little rusty with the shifting because I've been driving an automatic for about 2-3 weeks. Probably longer than that because I was driving my dad's truck. And that's also an automatic. running the ATF4 in the G56. I know there's a lot of controversy around what fluid to put in this transmission, because on the forums there's a lot of people saying, oh, ATF4, Chrysler really cheaped out on putting fluid in it. You know, ATF4 was just what they had on tap, so they put ATF4 in the G56. And I've run a couple different fluids in this before the rebuild. I ran, well, obviously ATF4. I ran the AMSOIL Synchro Mesh manual transmission fluid, and I ran the Mobile 1 Delvac 50 for some time. A really short time, that Mobile 1 Delvac 50, because let me tell you something. That shit is heavy. Like, I could not get into any of my gears in the morning. And this was like 50 degrees out, not even that crazy cold out. And I had to just force gears in. I'd say the the AMSOIL manual transmission Synchro Mesh transmission fluid is probably the best out of those 3 or 4 that I just mentioned. I'm running ATF4 in this right now, the Mopar brand ATF, and I gotta say, it's not too shabby. You know, it's shifting fine. So far with the ATF4 and the rebuild on the rebuild transmission, you know, I got no complaints. It's shifting smooth, shifting how it should. Back to cummins. I'm gonna head to work after this. Maybe make another video at work. You know, we're gonna be working on a concrete mixer at the yard. Just did all the maintenance on that and the roll off yesterday. I had a long day yesterday, doing that and also changing caliper that blew up on a Hino. Oh, this is gonna be the real test, my reverse gear. Okay, that shifted in very smooth. Alright guys, so I'm back at Cummins. Thanks for joining me. Remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching. This is Thugtopia. I'll be coming at you with another video soon.